In this video, you will learn how to send and receive crypto on Exodus wallet. So if you want to send or if you want to receive any crypto type in your Exodus wallet, this video is for you. So for me, let's say now I want to receive a crypto or any coin. Just after you open the Exodus wallet like this, now tap on this search and search for the coin you will receive or you want to send. So for me, let's say now I want to send Ethereum, ETH. Like this. Now here is it. Now after you search for the coin, just tap on the coin. So now let's say for me I want to send Ethereum to someone. So after you open the Ethereum like this, so tap on this arrow. So after you tap on the arrow here, it says send Ethereum. So I'll just paste in the address of the person. So after adding the address in this section, now as you can see, now just tap on this continue button. From there it will allow you to specify the amount that you want to send, and from there you will send the Ethereum or any coin or any crypto to the person using your Exodus wallet. But now if you want to receive any coin to your Exodus wallet, all you have to do now, after you open up the Exodus wallet like this, now if you want to receive, just tap on the search bar and search for the coin you want to receive. Let's say for me I want to receive, I will receive USDT like this. After you search for USDT, here is it. Now tap on this, tap on the coin. So from there, as you can see now, here is it. Now you can just tap on this, as you can see now, this arrow. So after you tap on this arrow, just tap on this continue button. So from there, as you can see now, here is it. Now here is your Tether address on Ethereum network. So you can tap on this copy button. From there you can send the address to the person that will send you Ethereum to your Exodus wallet. That's it, guys, on how to send and receive crypto on Exodus wallet. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.